or agenda. We know nothing.
Expect us.
In this tutorial, I will teach you on how to disable users from accessing the CMD. Also running it in administrator mode. Now click on the Start menu. Type gpedit.msc. Now hit Enter. Double-click on Administrative Templates under the User Configuration. Double-click System. Find Prevent Access to Command Prompt. Select Enable. Hit Apply and OK. Then restart your computer. And how to gain access to Command Prompt. Disabled by the administrator. Same method, but you need to click Disable or Not Configured Settings. Hit Apply and OK. You don't need to restart. Just run the command prompt as administrator. Thanks for watching.